Hi, I'm Pejman, and today we're going to talk about ordering in select statement. The reason behind is that we want to see our result ordered based on a field or multiple fields. Okay, let's go to our platform. Okay, I'm creating a new field. New SQL script, and now I'm going to select, right? Like always, I'm doing select star from mhi.covid. Okay, so let's run it. So let's do that based on, okay, so although this one, you see, the status set seems to be sorted based on reported date, I'm going to do that, using code, right? So applying that is very easy. How? We just need to put the word order by in our select statement, and that's easy as that. Okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, so simply typing order by, and we wanted to order the whole result, the data set, based on the first column, which is reported date, and I need to simply type it. That's it. And reported date, I don't need to type it. I'm using this feature of dbeaver and tapping on enter. See? So we have multiple fields. We can order the select statement based on any of them or combination of them. And to do that, we need to type order by, and then we should bring the name of the field. That's it. Let's try it. Okay. So you see it's been sorted based on this field, right? So let's do that based on another field. So for example, we have this field, say, okay, let's make it easier. Confirmed negative. Let's sort it based on this. Okay, I'm going to delete this thing to make it easier. To start it from scratch, and then I'm going to type order by, right, and name of that field, and that field was supposed to be confirmed negative. Okay, confirmed negative. I'm just entering on it, and done. Run. Okay, so look at this. This is confirmed negative, right? So it's null, 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 null. Where is that? Null, 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 null. Oop. Okay. I'm seeing that. And why it's doing like this? It's doing it because null is like 0, right? And so it's considering null as 0, and then starts from the first number greater than 0, which is 90, and then 96, 104, 130, and so on, right? And by default, it's doing that ascendingly, right? So from small numbers to big numbers, if we have integer, by the way, right? So I can change this behavior. I can do it like this. I can tell SQL Engine that and do it in another way, like order by confirm negative, but this time descendingly, right? And see, it's bringing me some things to help me, right? So you can instead of descending, you should use this one, DESC, which is the first four letters of descending, right? Done. Let's try it this time. Okay. Oh, it's not showing anything because I moved the cursor to the end of the file. Let's bring it back. So the biggest number in confirmed negative is that number, 4630, right? And the next row is the row with the second largest confirmed negative, right? 33,000 and blah, blah, blah. 29, blah, 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 and so on, right? It's easy. We can do that for confirmed positive too, right? So I'm going to do that in another script editor. I'm going to select from mhi.covid and then order by confirmed positive. I want to do that in descending way. Oops, sorry, my bad. And control enter. Okay, so it was confirmed positive, and that's it. Okay, so sometimes I have fields, different fields, and I want to order my results based on different field, right? So, for example, I want to first order my results set based on reported date and then based on another field. And it's helping me when we have equal amounts on the first field, right? We want to order results based on the second field, right? So for this cases, for example, let me go back to confirmed positive. For this cases that each row is not equal to the other one, to the next one, actually it's useless, right? But let me see if I can find some fields with equal amounts. Okay, say I found that. Number of patients in ICU testing negative. Let's do that here. Number of patients in ICU testing negative, right? This one. Okay, so you see this one helped me a lot because if I didn't have this feature of dbeaver, I should type the whole thing, right? So let's do it. Descending. Oops, sorry. Control entering. And okay, we're here. See, we have several rows with the same value. And now we want to order it based on another field. And let's do that this time based on number of patients in ICU on a ventilator due to COVID-19, right? So here, I'm keeping this descending, right? And then I'm going to add the other one. Number oops, seems that is not getting me. Yeah. He or she or it didn't like the way that I was doing that. Okay, no worries. We'll take care of it later. Number of patients in ICU on a ventilator due to COVID-19. Okay, so now I'm going to run it. Okay, let me put an enter here so I can see that better, right? So here we go. So you see this one is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. We have 4 rows with 4, and then you see this one is ascendingly ordered based on the value of another field. And that field here is this number of patients in ICU on a ventilator due to COVID-19, right? It's 18, 19, 27, 38, right? So let me do this. Let me see that. Yes, it allows me. And then this one I want ascendingly sorted. By the way, I mentioned that before. If you want to sort it ascendingly, we don't need to bring this one. But anyway, if you are optimistic or obsessive, you can do that too. Okay, no worries. Let's run it again. Good. So you see this one at 93, 91, 91. See, this one is descendingly, and this one is ascendingly sorted. So 91, 305, 382. 3 rows with 90, and then 362, 480, and 498. Good. So let's do it for the last time. We can sort the dataset, the result dataset, based on the values in one field or more than one field. And by the way, I forgot to tell you this. The value can be anything. It can be, the contents of the field can be a number, and if so, it's obvious. It's based on the value of the field. Or if it's a character, it's a string field, then it sorts the dataset based on the contents of that string field alphabetically, right? A comes before B, B comes before E, E comes before O, and so on. Okay? So let's do it like this. Select from mhi.covid, order by, say reported date, and then confirmed negative. This one I want descending, and then this one is a bug, but I'm bypassing this. I'm putting comma and then number of patients hospitalized with COVID-19. Okay, I want this one descendingly, and that one I'm leaving it so it's ascendingly. And by the way, we can do it like this. We can move this one, reported date, to somewhere else, like here, right? Now let's do it. See, it's being sorted based on this field, confirmed negative, and then based on reported date, and then based on number of patients hospitalized with COVID-19. Good. I think we're done with the scripting part. I'll do the same thing with Query Builder in the next video. Have fun and happy coding.